Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds to 9 o'clock, with news the Volkswagen boss has quit. But first, there have been three major pieces of data out that have dominated overnight. Firstly, it was the Chinese PMI, which fell to a 6.5-year low and fell for the sixth consecutive month. Chinese factory output and new orders are contracting. But how serious that is open to debate. It certainly is serious for Australia and Brazil, for instance, but it is less clear for New Zealand. The same factory survey in the US was more encouraging. It is still expanding and output growth picked up pace, but incoming new work and employment numbers rose at a slower rate. And factory gate prices fell for the first time in over 3 years. And in Europe, the factory survey data pointed to steady growth at the end of the third quarter. Moreover, faster growth of new work and backlogs of orders point to continued expansion in coming months. Selling prices were stable despite reduced commodity prices. France continued to lag the upturn and growth slowed in Germany. Staying in Europe, the boss at Volkswagen has quit in the midst of the emission testing fraud case. The focus is now turning to other car manufacturers. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield benchmark is still down at 2.15%. The US benchmark oil price is lower today, now at $45 a barrel, and the Brent benchmark is at $48 a barrel. Markets fell with American crude stocks down as much as 3% after the bullish impact of lower crude inventories was offset by a large petrol build-up that raised concerns about the high autumn fuel supplies. The gold price is up today, now at $1,130 an ounce. The New Zealand dollar starts today a little lower. It's now at 62.5 US cents, 89.1 Aussie cents, and 55.8 euro cents. The TWI is at 67.2. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.